your tender embrace. Keep me now in bliss, away from everlasting sleep.
Frederick!
We are too late. We must set fire to their infected bodies. Our flames will sanctify them.
Please, we must not wait. Wait, not already. Listen, we can